Hey y'all, just made a cast right here, doing some fly fishing with a topwater dragonfly for largemouth bass. Some suburbia fly fishing. Drop it right in here. I'm just stripping it in. I got a bluegill's attention hitting it right now, which sometimes can bring a largemouth in to smash on them both. But it's kind of dropping it in there. See if we can't get hooked up. Somebody put trash in here. I did not bring my trash bag with me. That's sad. Probably from the storms. Definitely had some rain last night. You'll see how I'm doing this, just working this shore, slowly creeping. We hooked up. Feels like a largemouth bass. Took the dragonfly. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's a puller, so I don't know how big it is yet, y'all. Feels big on a fly rod. Even this 8-weight. Well, it's decent. Jumper. All right, let's bring him in. Well, we fooled one. Well, he liked that dragonfly, didn't he? Wow, that was cool. Do what you do. Let's let him go. Okay, y'all, we're gonna move spots over here. It's moving down, not spots. It is a beautiful day out. It's not too hot after we got a nice cool front, and I really appreciate that. Woo, what a blessing. So, what a cool place to fish, though. We found one so far. Hopefully we find a bigger one. I've caught some 3 and 4 pounders doing what I'm doing right now with a imitation hopper dragonfly fly fishing. It's a lot of fun, y'all. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. I know a lot of people go, ew, fly fishing. It's fun, especially with a largemouth bass. All right, let's see if we can catch some more. I've got a bass looking at it right now, or a bluegill right here. Swung at it. It's 2 bass looking at it. They're both small. They haven't committed, so I may have to change colors. I see a lot of brown dragonflies flying around, so this may throw them off because it's green and yellow. There's a time of year for blues, green and yellow, and brown dragonflies for sure. They're staring at it. None of them are committing. These fish are smart, y'all. Kind of vibrated a little bit on the, like that, get it look real. I'm just gonna let it sit, see if they'll take it. Any takers? Hey y'all, I moved to this little grasshopper, and all I'm doing is a 5 wrap or 6 wrap clinch knot. And yeah, see if we can't, all these bluegill are playing, see if we can't get them to bite. They're fun too. Let's see what we got here. Oh, pretty. Goodness, he scarfed it. What a pretty fish. Pretty fish. Look at that, y'all. You wanted this little grasshopper. All right, let's let him go. Go do what you do. Bye, buddy.